Think your past defines you? One good deed can wipe out darkness. Here's proof from the Quran.
إن الحسنات يذهبن السيئات.
Indeed, the good deeds erase the bad deeds. You've messed up. We all have. But instead of sitting in guilt, stand up in action, because Allah tells us. Good deeds erase bad deeds. Not maybe, not partially, but erase. Like they were never there. One sincere prayer. One helping hand. One heartfelt astaghfirullah. These aren't small acts, they are cleansers of your past. This verse is not just hope, it's an opportunity. A chance to turn your story around. You're not stuck in your sins. You're just one good deed away from starting fresh. Comment, Bismillah, if you're starting over today. Share this with someone who's stuck in guilt. Follow for more Quranic motivation to rebuild your life.